guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, this is going to be something hella new. I haven't seen this on YouTube as of yet. I just wanted to bring it to the YouTube community, you know. So basically, as you can see, I've got these two products here. These are the only two products that you are going to need for today's video. Basically, as you can see right here, we've got the True Lights Rapid Blue Powder Bleach. If you don't know about this, then get with it. And we have a new product, which is the hydrogen peroxide, which you kind of use for, like, I think if you have like cuts and wounds and skin ulcers, all of that, just to clean it and make sure it doesn't get infected. That's what that is used for. But I've realized that you can also use this and this to bleach your lace.
What did he say?
Right? So I must have tried it out one time and I could not believe the results that I received. I should have taken some receipts. I should have taken some photos and evidence to show you guys, to back up what I'm saying. But that's why I'm doing today's video, to show you guys what I saw. Do you get it? Yeah, this is what we're going to be using. Use this product to bleach your lace, and you also use the True Zone Cream Peroxide. But we ain't gonna be using this product. We don't need this product, baby. We don't need it. We don't need you no more. I'm sorry. We don't need you no more. We just need these two. So if you have this and this in your house, then we can get started. Alright guys, get yourself a little container to put in all of the products in, a paddle knife to just mix everything up. And for this now, bit more than that. As you all know, all us big people, we want to make it into a consistency of toothpaste, like that. They're not too runny, not too thick, just right. Yeah, the consistency of toothpaste. I think we got it. Yes, we do. Just like that. Alright. It's showtime. Alright, so you're gonna need to get a wig, of course. Turn it inside out, like so. Just apply it to the lace like how you usually do. And using a paddle knife is better because it just spreads more easily, like butter, you know. Oh, sorry guys, my knees burn. Whole entire lace is covered. We're trying to make our lace look like Scapiana. Feel me? God, I feel like I'm old, but guys, I'm 2023 and I've got bad knees. Like, what's up? Like, what's going on? I don't understand. Your legs should be looking something like this. All the way covered. So we're gonna leave that for like about, I feel like the longer the better. So maybe 30 minutes to an hour maybe. But yeah, I'll be back. So yeah, you guys, this is what the lace is looking like after I washed out the bleach and everything. And you can see that just by using those two products, look how well it works. Like, this is looking like Scalpiana. You can't even tell. Like, it's worked really, really well. And the first time I done it, I was just in shock. I was just amazed by it. And I think I will be sticking to these two products from now on forward. All I need to do is add my foundation onto this lace and it's over with. Like, it's crazy, you guys. Like, this will blend right into my skin. I will insert a picture at the end of this video, but look at this. Look at the results. That is amazing. And the part that's looking like a real life part into me, that's amazing. But yeah, you guys, if you liked this video and if you enjoyed watching it and if you learned something from this, make sure to leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you want to see any more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, you guys, let me know, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. If it was helpful to you, it'll be helpful to them, whoever you share it with. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.